Hello everyone, this is Cocosing Valley Model Railroad speaking. Well, I'm doing a review on a HO scale trainmaster locomotive made by Athearn. This one is an Athearn. It's been it's not a plastic body, it's actually all metal. I think this came off of a varnish shell or something, but it's a very heavy locomotive. N&W number 500. It's a diesel locomotive. That's very beautiful on everything on this engine. Is very well put together. All the railings are on here. It doesn't have a pair of horns. When I first found this engine, paid I think a long time ago, $30 at a hobby or an antique store. We'll go over some of the simple details on this engine. If I can find something. The locomotive, it's at least about, I'd say about 30, 40 years old. It's got beautiful hand railings all the way around the engine in the back. It's got the headlight, which is like right there, number board 500. N&W decals on this engine on both sides. N&W decals from the Norfolk and Western Railroad. It's a beautiful diesel. It does have the decals numbers on both sides of the engine. It's a beautiful engine. It runs. It's got a different kind of coupler. It's got a universal coupler, so I can run knuckle coupler cars and horn hook cars with this diesel. It's a little noisy, which are some case with all Athearns, but this has a metal shell on it. It's a good, very good runner at slow speed, very good at high speed running. Well, I hope you guys have a nice evening. I hope you guys enjoy the view of this locomotive. Like I said, it's got some detail here. It's got all the grills. It's got all the, there's a window here. No glass. See the tank here. The trucks are metal, too. It's a very well-made locomotive. It runs well. I do like to improve this one just a little bit more and clean it up more and get it to run good. It runs okay for right now, but just wanted to show you guys one of these engines, my Trainmaster Athearn locomotive. It's 50 years old. Guys, have a nice night. Cocosing Valley Model Railroad signing out.